No, not one little fit. They run around out of control and throw their hissy fits. It's up to me to stop them, 'cause clearly you can see it's got to be my destiny, and it's what my cutie mark is telling me. I try to keep them laughing, put a smile upon their face, but no matter what I try, it's good as a disgrace. I have to entertain them, it's there for all to see. It's got to be my destiny, and it's what my cutie mark is telling me. I don't care much for whiskey, fruit, and flour, and feeling such a hoot. No matter what I try, I cannot fix this busted water chute. I've got so many chores to do, it's so fun being me. But it has to be my destiny, 'cause it's what my cutie mark is telling me. Looky here at what I made, I think that it's a dress. I know it doesn't look like much, I'm under some distress. So y'all give me a hand here and help me fix this. My destiny is not pretty, but it's what my cutie mark is telling me.